Well, just putting a little more context into today's decline, there you saw at about the 10 a.m. hour, we bounced off of some of the intraday session lows for the Dow Jones Industrial Average. As of right now, we're still lower by about 0.3%, though. Taking a look at the NASDAQ composite, you're also seeing that lower by about 1.5% here intraday, and still in the same ballpark of some of those early session lows as we're just about 37 minutes into today's trading activity here on this Tuesday. The S&P 500, that too, down a little more than 1%. Taking a look, though, a little further into some of the travel names that we've been tracking, and there's really only one bright spot, and it's barely holding on to some of those gains that had come as a result of an update, that from American Airlines. It's holding on to gains by the hair of its chinny chin chin right now, that compared to being up by 4% pre-market. And so now you're seeing some of that sputtering out, but continue to watch this broader travel and kind of reopening play, if you will, because even though some of the demand that the airlines have cited as being strong, even though some of that demand persists and the taking price from and in the midst of this kind of higher demand, taking price to consumers and having consumers still accept that, even though that's locked into place, it's still a question of what the capacity will look like for them. And so that's something that American had talked about. And now you're seeing AAL dip into the red. But more broadly, continue to watch Airbnb. That's down by about 6% here on the day. Some of the other travel names that are declining, Expedia, also moving lower by a little more than, well, nearly 4%.